Hi, welcome to the Micromark Workshop. We're going to discuss the finger drills that Micromark sells. Before me is a set of 4. We have 5 different sets of 4 finger drills that we sell. They start from a number 50 and go all the way to a number 80. They are even numbers from 50 to 80. Finger drills were designed when a power drill was just not the right tool that you needed to drill a hole. Modelers require specific sizes of drill bits, and in the range that we offer, they'll pretty much cover the spectrum of when you are working on a model and it's in a tight spot, or you want to drill it slowly, carefully, get the right depth, the right size of a hole. These finger drills were brought on board the Micromark line probably in 1990. They work well when, in a case of a ship modeler who needed to put an eyelet and would go on the bow of a boat. Naturally, this would be before this model was finished, but if he had a specific size, he would drill that hole slowly and surely with his hand for his model so that eyelet would fit properly. I'm going to show you how this works on a block of wood. This is basswood, which is the same wood that hull was made out of. You would have a location marked on your model, and you slowly spin the drill bit back and forth, and ever increasing the depth of your hole until you had the depth that you required and nothing went wrong. So there is a hole that I've started with this drill bit right now, and I've made some others. Again, there's 4 sets that are 50 through 80, each expanding by even numbers up to 80, and there's an additional fractional set that we sell with a 1/32 to 1/16 drill bit for finger drills.